Hello students, welcome to our Arith class, 4th standard, term 2, volume 2, mathematics. Students, be ready with your mathematics book. Students, as we completed unit 2 numbers and unit 3 patterns. So now we are moving on to unit 1 geometry. It is on page number 1. So please take page number 1. Students, take page number 1, unit 1 geometry. So here they have given the difference between the 2D and 3D shapes. The 2D is nothing but two-dimensional and 3D is nothing but three-dimensional objects. So the 2D has only the length and breadth, but the 3D you can see length, height and width. For example of 2D is square, rectangle, circle, triangle, rhombus, parallelograms, trapezium, quadrilateral. And here for 3D, it has given cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and pyramid. It is all seen in a term 1 itself. Now we are going to see symmetry. Symmetry is a figure which can be divided into two equal shapes and size and are called symmetrical figure. So see here they have given an example. See here they have given a square, they divided. If you cut here, you can get a 2 equal half. If we cut here, you can get a 2 equal half. Likewise, you can draw the line here also and here also. The exact 2 half of the figure or the mirror image of each other. You will get the 2 equal parts. For rectangle, it is you can get 2 symmetrical line in a rectangle. And in a leaf, see here the center point they have cut. If you fold the leaf, you will get a 2 equal part. So regarding this chapter, now I am going to play a small video. Watch the video, children.
The line you can see is the line of symmetry of these figures. Line of symmetry, what is that? When we fold the figure about this line of symmetry, we will see that the two parts of the figure is coinciding. Let's take this figure now. When we fold this figure from the center, we will see that the two parts. Priya, can you now identify the line of symmetry in these designs? I will try. In this figure, this is the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. How? When we fold this design this way, the two parts so formed will coincide. So this is the line of symmetry. Good, you have learnt now. And in these figures, these are the lines of symmetry. Now I will tell you about lines of symmetry in regular polygons. Do you know what a regular polygon is? It is a closed figure made up of several line segments. And triangle is a polygon made up of at least 3 line segments. You are right. And a regular polygon is one whose all the line segments are equal and the measures of all the angles are equal. Therefore, a square, an equilateral triangle, a regular pentagon, a regular hexagon are the examples of regular polygons. There all the sides are equal and the measures of their angles are also equal. Are the regular polygons equal? Yes, the regular polygons are symmetrical figures and have many lines of symmetry. Look at these figures. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. A regular pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. And a regular hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. A shape has line of symmetry when one half of it is the mirror image of the other half. Now let's check whether the line drawn on A is the line of symmetry or not. We take its one half and place it in front of mirror. Wow! Its one half is equal to the other half. This means that this is the line of symmetry. Let's play a game now. Which game? Punching game. In this game, we will fold these papers and punch a hole. This is so simple. Now open these papers. we can see two holes which are symmetric. The fold is a line of symmetry. Now look at this clock. It's going round and round. This means it is rotating. The hands of the clock rotate in a clockwise rotation. Tell the shapes around us which have rotational symmetry. Yes. When we slice certain fruits, the cross sections are shapes with rotational symmetry. There are many road signs that have rotational symmetry. Do you know which the most perfect symmetrical figure is? Is it circle? Yes, the circle is the most perfect symmetrical figure. It can be rotated around its center through any angle, and at the same time, it has unlimited number of lines of symmetry.
Students, I hope you enjoyed the video. You learnt a lot, isn't it? Now, let's see some examples in your textbook. So, students, please take your textbook. Take page number 2. Students, take page number 2. See here the activity. We are going to see some examples from our textbook. Draw the mirror symmetry using the other half. What you have to do? Take a very sharp pencil. You have to draw the exactly other half, the mirror image of this insect, the tortoise, butterfly and the bug. So now we are moving on to page number 4. Page number 4, exercise 1.1. Draw the mirror images. So you have to draw the exact other half, the mirror images of the following diagram. You can try it by using a small mirror also. Students, take page number 5, exercise 1.2. Draw the lines of symmetry in each of the following figures. As you all know how to draw the line of symmetry. See here, the previous box. So, with the help of this, draw the lines of symmetry for this following pictures. Try to complete A and B. Now, we are moving on to page number 6. Page number 6, exercise 1.3. So, A, which of the following figure is symmetrical about dotted line? You have to find which is the symmetrical dotted line. And the riddles. Who am I? First one, I have no side, no vertices and many lines of symmetry. Who am I? Can you able to find? Yes, very good. It is a circle. And number 2, I have 4 equal sides. Which shape has 4 equal sides, children? Good. And 4 lines of symmetry. Who am I? You have to write that shape's name here. So likewise complete 3 and 4. So children, this is a very easy chapter. So try to complete all the activities by yourself. See you in the next class with different topic. Thank you.